What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala games. Currently, we're up 8.6 on the day. Sitting at 0.054. We're seeing a market cap of 368 million. This will be one of my largest holdings. When I start to DCA, hopefully we come lower eventually because that's what I'm waiting for. But I'm a big believer in Gala. It will be one of my biggest holdings for my HODL positions. So the 24-hour volume is sitting at 190 million. This is like one of the coins that I think has a good chance of like 100xing and doing something that Sandbox and Mana did in the previous bull market. So in my opinion, let's jump into the charts. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So what I'm looking at is a potential 5-wave move complete. Now we may be coming lower. I do think that is wow, Jax, get it together. I do think that's a high possibility, and we still haven't completed the wave 5. But what I drew this quickly, so it could be off. But potentially we're looking at a wave 1. This was your wave 2 pullback. This was your large wave 3, corrective wave 4, and your final wave 5. This 5-wave structure is a little bit inaccurate in my opinion, but sometimes you have those 5-wave triangles. So currently we are making some juicy profits in the Discord with my trade signal on Gala. Hopefully, I mean, best case scenario is we rip all the way up to the top of this falling wedge. That would be absolutely incredible. But as of right now, we've started to break the downsloping resistance. And if I pop over my indicators, my RSI, hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. Oh yeah, see, they're already open. Close this. All right, perfect. So let me pop over to the daily time frame. We have a juicy bullish divergence on the daily. So as you can see right here, and we have a bottoming tail. This candle right here is a bottoming tail. That's one of the reasons I took my long trade. Falling wedge, bullish divergence, and a bottoming tail. So signs of a breakout. Of course, it can still go the other way, but in my opinion, the probability of a breakout is higher. So I took a long trade. So you can see here, look at this, guys. This is incredible. Look at these lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Look at these higher lows on the RSI. That means strength is coming back. The bears are getting weak. The bears are losing strength, and relative strength is coming back for the bulls. Doesn't promise a breakout, but it is an indicator that we look at. We also have this falling wedge. We're starting to break resistance. So your typical target is all the way up at 87 cents from the point of breakout. Potential juicy trade of 76%, and I'm on 5x leverage. So woo, we'll see though. I mean, it can roll over. I can get stomped out, and that's part of trading. That's how it is. So major level of resistance I'm watching here, we'll pop it back over to the 4-hour, is right here. This line, which is coming in at about 0.054, we'll give it a little price target so you can see support right here, support here, support here, where these wicks came down to. So this could be a major level for a Gala to see a potential rejection. But we can also look at the wave count here on the hourly time frame. So I do think we're putting in a 5-wave structure here. Let me quickly draw it out. So here's your potential wave 1. Here's your wave 2 pullback, looking for that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete a wave 1. I'm going to make this smaller here. Sub-minute. All right, let's go a little bit smaller. Micro. Okay, cool. So to measure the wave 3, take your trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 1. We're going to go from, should we go from the wicks? Yeah, let's go from the wicks. From the wick low to the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 2, and you're looking for a 1.618 extension of a potential wave 3. Of course, anything can happen, but we'll drop in a box here. So potentially your wave 3 could, I mean, a wave 3 can go up to the 2.618. It can overextend to 4.25 in rare cases. But at the 1.618 is your minimum target at about 55 cents if we are putting in that 5-wave structure to the upside. You see a wave 4 pullback, and then you see a final wave 5 to complete a large wave 1, to complete a wave 1 of a potential large breakout if we see continuation to the upside. Of course, Bitcoin has come up to the resistance of the ascending triangle triple bottom, so we would need Bitcoin to break through. But Gala's, look at this, guys. Look at my list of coins here. What's the top mover? Gala and Matic. Matic's up 5%. But and Gala's right behind. So I missed out on that Matic trade, so I decided to get in on Gala, and so far so good. But of course, anything can happen. So what we could potentially see here is we've broken out. We can see a little back test and then see continuation to the upside. This is a massive reversal pattern, and we have a bullish divergence on the daily time frame. So and a bottoming tail. So the potential for a breakout is high. If we roll over, we lose this low, then so be it, guys, and we're going to see lower prices. But as of right now, it looks like we put in a 5-wave structure to the downside, and we could definitely see a reversal in the trend, and we have a beautiful bullish divergence on the daily. So that's it for this one. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's only $10 a month. As you can see, up 30% on our Gala trade. Absolutely juicy, and my spot trades as well as my ideas, what I'm doing. I post some analysis in here in the Discord as well, in my trade signals at the $10 membership, and we have over 2,000 members posting their own analysis, chart patterns, juicy analysis. Oh God, get it together. All kinds of goodies in here, and that's coming in at $3.50. So price of a coffee for over 2,000 members, and $10 a month for my trade signals. That's it for this one. See you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.